sis. Revolution, you might have just did a thing. Hi guys, my name is Granny. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It literally means the world to me. Today, honey, it's a very exciting video because we are talking about the new Revolution bronzers. They just dropped a new glow collection and it features some new bronzers which have some deep, rich shades. So honey, we're gonna jump right into it. So this has been the first time that I've actually been able to buy a bronzer that would suit my shade from like a British high street brand. So I was very excited when I saw Revolution drop these bronzers, I'm not gonna lie. So I got the two deepest shades. Ooh, so these are the palettes. The darkest one is deep dark and the second darkest is deep. So we're just gonna jump right in. I've already done my makeup because sis, I didn't want to play any games today. I didn't want to waste time, you know. I just wanted to get straight to the meat, straight to what we're all here for, and that is the bronzers. So I've done my normal makeup. I've done a little bit of contour, but I didn't do blush and I didn't do like shimmery highlight. Guys, I didn't gel down my edges, so you might see a little one poking out, but don't judge me, okay? I didn't have time. I'm in lockdown. I got nowhere to go. So this is my, guys, I'm really excited. I'm not gonna lie to you. So this is my first impressions, first time I'm trying out this product. So this is the product, you know, in comparison to my skin. I hope it looks good, okay? So I'm just gonna go in with my brush and we're just gonna slather this bad boy on, okay? Let's do it. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so deep. I just put it under the back of my hand because that is very deep. Okay. So this is how it's looking. It's actually very dark. I really didn't need to contour today. Guys, this is actually darker than I expected it to be. That is insane. What I've learned is that I should have gone in with a much lighter hand because it's so pigmented. I'm just gonna do it down here as well. I think this is gonna be my new contour product, to be honest. Let me quickly set it. So I think this bronzer will actually be perfect for somebody who's a little bit darker than me, which is actually so great because it's showing that it's actually catering to a very large range of skin tones. This time I'm gonna go in with a much lighter hand. Oh my gosh. Guys, that is yummy. Guys, this is so nice. I'm so happy right now. Oh my word, that is so lovely. To be honest, I think I've still been a bit heavy-handed with this. Okay, let me put this on my forehead as well. We're gonna go in with this. Oh, wow. Oh, sis. Revolution, you might have just did a thing. You really might have just done something, Revolution. Oh, guys. I just want to apply more even though I don't really need to apply more because it's so pigmented. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do on this side is I'm going to actually try and contour with the darker shade and see what happens. I think I need a thinner brush, to be honest, but oh wow, can you guys see that? It's going from like bronzer to contour. And I'll put that down there. Oh wow, guys, this is so nice. Where else can I put it? On my chin. Maybe I can put it on the side of my nose. Oh yum. Oh yummy. That is literally such a great shade. I'm just gonna do my eyes, why not? Because I've always seen like people would use bronzer on their eyes for a natural look, so why not? Now that I can, now that I have a bronzer that matches me. I'm sorry, but I'm just loving my forehead right now. I think my forehead, like on this side, just looks incredible. I love that, guys. I'm gonna quickly go underneath my eye again because I feel like it's taking a bit of the color away. So this side of my face is the deep dark shade. Ding. And then this side is the deep shade. So in terms of color matching, if you're close to my skin tone, I think deep will be perfect. And then if you're a little bit darker, I think deep dark will be really, really lovely. Okay guys, I quickly just want to top up my deep dark side with the deep bronzer just so that my face looks cohesive. So now I'm just going to put some highlight on and some blush on so that my face can be complete. So my blush that I've been using recently is actually from the Patricia Bright X Revolution palette, and I use this lovely shade called Try Me. You better not try me today, sis. So yeah, I just go in with that on my cheeks. I actually can't find the highlight that I use right now. So for highlight, I'm just going to use a different color from the PB palette. And I think I'm going to go in with Shining Shining. It just looks like a nice gold. So we'll try that. Why not? Hey guys, so this is the final look. For some reason, my audio cut out in the final clips, but that's okay. I just want to say a massive thank you for watching this video. Please do like this video and comment down below what your take is on the bronzers. Would you buy them? Would you not buy them? Let me know, sis. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I upload videos twice every single week on Wednesdays and Sundays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Feel free to check out my other videos. I have fashion, beauty, and chit chat videos, so feel free to check those out and have an amazing day. Bye guys.